Here's what it looks like with the forms off. It's a little bit bubbly, but nothing we can't fill in or leave because it's cool. Either way, it's gonna look great. That's what they look like. That one's probably the smoothest on top. It was also the wettest when we poured it, but none of it was very wet. The sink forms did great with me stretching them like that. The corners turned out real good. The knockout was hard to get out, but we finally worked and pushed it out. So if you're trying to do that, keep pushing on it, wiggling and pushing and wiggling and pushing, and it'll come out. Mine did, at least. Looks great. Those legs are going to come out. Those are supports, temporary supports. And I think a 12-inch overhang isn't going to be too much. It made a perfect, smooth edge here on the bottom. And it just feels a little rough there. And then it's bubbly. And we vibrated the crap out of it. There's just no way around those bubbles, I guess. They didn't come out. We vibrated and they didn't come out. This was an awkward end, but it turned out fine. There's the crew.